Number 1. Possini Euro Design Demy Oil Rubbed Bronze Warm Gold Chandelier 23-inch wide modern industrial clear glass 5 light fixture. This dining room chandelier adds a farmhouse touch over a table or above a dining table as an oil-rubbed bronze chandelier that complements a mid-century modern aesthetic. Perfect as an entryway light fixture or hallway light, it fits seamlessly as a sloped ceiling light fixture, bringing a unique allure to every room. This round chandelier is an oil rub. Number 2. Franklin Iron Works Black Chandelier 6 Light. This dining room light fixture is ideal over a table, adding a bright glow to any gathering. With the style of a farmhouse chandelier and an amber glass chandelier's detailing, it brings a warm, country ambience above dining table settings, making it perfect for classic dining room lighting. This Franklin Iron Works chandelier is an excellent bedroom chandelier or office lighting solution. This hanging ceiling light fixtures duh. Number 3. MELUCEE Farmhouse Chandelier Classic 22.6-inch Contemporary 5 light chandelier lighting with clear glass shade. Design: simplified design meets traditional charm in this chandelier. An empire design in the center slopes downward, with elegantly curving arms that each end in a cupped sconce and clear cylinder glass shade, can cast a dramatic glow in the kitchen, dining room or any other room, adjustable. This bronze chandelier with a durable swivel could be mounted on vaulted. Number 4. Wellmet Crystal Chandelier Farmhouse 5 tiers crystal light fixtures hanging modern bronze ceiling pendant light. This chandelier light fixture is made of metal and top-grade crystals and has an antique bronze metal finish. Its circular frame supports 7E12 base bulbs. Shade composed of beads crystals and raindrop crystals, hundreds of glass droplets form a shimmering cascade on this chandelier. Suitable for foyer, dining room, living room, kitchen island, bedroom. Number 5. Franklin Iron Works Holman Bronze Wagon Will Chandelier 26 3/4 wide rustic farmhouse clear glass 6 light fixture. This iron chandelier from Franklin Iron Works features a wagon wheel base with an industrial bronze finish and a ring of 6 lights, instantly becoming a stunning focal point when added to any room in your home. Provide stunning lighting to any room with this chandelier. Includes 6 7-watt LED Edison bulbs. 2200 K, 80 CRI. 800 lumens each, comparable to a 60. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.